Good morning, everyone. It's me, Riley King, live here outside of the Riley King Network studio. And as you see, the snow is coming down very light and things, and it's very fluffy snow. It's coming down light and steady and not too fast. So, yeah. So, we're gonna walk down the driveway and see what the roadway looks like and things. Be good. So, as you can see, the driveway is snow covered and things, and nice and quiet on this snowy Wednesday. And as you can see, the snowflakes falling nice and light and steady. Earlier it was a little heavy snowfall, but right now it's light and steady snowfall. So we're making our way to the newspaper box and going to check the newspaper. Hopefully you are all having a good Wednesday morning and a good hump day, and if you don't need to go on the roadways, do not go on the roadways. It's a little slippery on those roadways and things. But if you do need to go on the roadway, just take some extra time, drive slow, and don't rush. But it is slippery out there. So, making our way to the newspaper box and checking the road conditions. Winter Wonderland out in Deerfield, New Hampshire. Let us know what the conditions are like near where you are and things. Comment below and let us know. We want to hear from you. We're almost there. And here's what the roadway looks like in Deerfield, New Hampshire. As you see, it's snow covered. So yeah, you can see snow covered. And that does it for my morning snow report. I hope you all have a great day, everyone. Goodbye.